Thank you so much for getting in touch with me, email, along with everybody else at the office, and Mark and Dr. Yaioli, who received me at the border last night. It's been great. Took us to our hotel, stayed the night, beautiful place, it was great. Picked us up this morning, brought us to the office, and now we're gonna go spend the rest of the day, I believe, in the chair. I live in Los Angeles. I work in the television and film industry. I explained what I was looking for. I knew I needed like a deep cleaning, probably some teeth whitening, as well as I needed some crowns replaced that I've had for 20 years, and also getting veneers as well. For personal reasons, just not that I'm unhappy with my smile, but if I feel like improving it a little bit, then I'm gonna do it. And I think anybody that feels the same or anything in that way, I think you should totally take advantage of anything you can do just to maybe boost your self-confidence.
Hi guys, we've just finished with Joshua Hooks. Now he has a new brighter smile, and well, we changed the crowns that he has from 20 years ago. So now he has a brighter smile. Now he has a more professional smile. And I'm glad that Joshua leaves the office smiling. And he was so glad having that new restorations, veneers, the new crowns, all in ceramic, also the bleaching in the lower part, so everything matches. Joshua was so glad. We are ready to receive you here at the Dental District in New City Medical Plaza building. Stay tuned and stay with us.